Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how you can enroll yourselves to a Moodle course. I made this video because there are some questions and concerns with regard to enrollment. So here is the procedure. Now, if you can remember, I gave you an enrollment key, which you will use in enrolling yourself to a Moodle course. So first, you need to go to elearning.vsu.edu.ph and log in using your registered email address or by using the username and default password provided to you by the university, which you might have already changed. So you can see it here. So this is a demonstration video on the right side where you can see now the interface. Okay, so this is elearning.vsu.edu.ph. This is when you are using phone, right? It's different when you are using, it's quite different. There are some differences when you're using your laptop, but the information that you have to input are still the same. Okay, and here, let me show you. So here you are in elearning.vsu.ph and log in using your username or the email address provided. Next, here on the left, upper left corner, you can see Site Home. So click that. That's just way below, right below the dashboard, and go scroll down until you see the Search Courses box located at the bottom of the page. Then you try to search for the class name or the course name. So if it's purposive communication, type it in, key in, or art appreciation, for example. Then look for my name as your instructor, or look for the name of your instructor, and then click the course you enrolled, and then also click now the enrollment key here below. You key in the enrollment key sent to you by through our group chat or by your instructor. Okay, and then you type it in there. Enrollment key. This is already under the subject. Okay, if you already have, given that you already have clicked the subject that you're enrolling under me. So here it is. There's now the Moodle course specifically for communication, Com11 or purposive communication. All right. So you can, I think you can also see some. There are actually some materials I have, or the teachers have uploaded and attached on that specific Moodle course. So you can scroll that. If you want to download some materials, you can do that. So I hope you can already access those materials we have uploaded on Moodle. So if there are more questions, concerns, and problems, please contact me as your instructor or your other instructors so they can help you or I can help you. Alright, so that's it for this video. I'll see you again in the next video. God bless everyone. Take care.